Good morning, children. How are you all? So, today our topic again is regarding consonants and some examples in accordance with that. Okay. So, in the last classes, we have already discussed the vowel sounds, diphthongs, and we started consonants. You remember that. And some tasks were also provided for you. I believe all of you have gone through those tasks and done the works also. And another thing is that if you have any doubts regarding any classes, any words or any sounds or anything regarding grammar, any portion, you can ask to the teacher. So today we are again continuing our topic on consonants. Very easy. So we'll begin with the sound f sound. F, f. That is F. We are writing small letter alphabet F and the pronunciation is f sound. You have to remember that it is not a running letter but printed F. Clear? And so many examples we can find out the words beginning with f, words ending with f, and sounds means this sound, this F sound coming in the middle portion of a word. So many examples we can find out, and on the screen you can see that fat is given as an example. F-A-T, fat is given as example, and the phonemic symbol, you remember that phonemic symbol, that is we are opening the word with a slash, we are writing the phonemic symbol of the word and we are closing the word with a slash. Remember that. So here the example provided for you is fat. So many other examples you can find out. For example, fight, F-I-G-H-T, fight. Then fan, F-A-N, fan. Then enough, E-N-O-U-G-H. There you can see a slight change in the spelling, that is E-N-O-U-G-H. G-H is given as f sound. Clear? Again I am saying English is not a phonetic language because there is no one-to-one correspondence between the sound and the pronunciation. Clear? So English is not a phonetic language. It is an unphonetic language. Now the next sound we are going to deal with is V. V. That is V. Alphabet V we are writing and we are pronouncing it as V sound. Examples: van, V-A-N, van. Then V-E-I-N, vain. Then any other example? So you find out your own examples using these sounds and how to write the word van, opening the slashes, then phonemic symbol V, then A sound. A is a combination of printed A and E, A sound. Then we are ending with N sound, van. Clear? Closing it with slash. The next sound is th. Th sound. It's a stressed sound. Some stress, some force we are giving while we are pronouncing this th, th sound. Understood? Example is, and how to write that th? You can see it on the screen. We are writing it somewhat similar to the theta symbol. You remember, you are placing a 0 and in the middle portion there is a slash. Understood? Inside that 0 we are putting a slash in order to reach the sound th. Clear? So what is the pronunciation? Th, th sound. And example, thin, T-H-I-N, thin. It's not thin, it's th. Th sound is a little stressed sound. Stress. Stress ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ th എന്നുള്ള sound pronounce ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Thank you. Thank you is another example. thank you. It's not thank you, it's thank you. Understood that? So how to write thin? Opening the slash, then writing that theta symbol. See, it's not theta symbol, but for your easy memorization, I am saying that it's somewhat like theta symbol. Clear? Then E sound. E sound, how to write E sound? Small letter I. Small letter I is pronounced as E sound. Then N, and closing it with a slash. Clear? So the example provided here is thin. And you find out how to write thank you. How to write thank you. Clear? Ready? We'll pass on to the next sound. And the next sound is the sound. The. What is it? The. നമ്മൾ മലയാളത്തിൽ ദയ എന്നെഴുതുന്ന ആ ഒരു ദ ഇല്ലേ, അതാണ് ദ. ബട്ട് ആക്ച്വലി വൈൽ ദ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പീപ്പിൾ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ദാറ്റ്, നമ്മൾ അറബിക്കിൽ പറയുന്ന ദാല് വാല് വ അതില്ലേ, ആ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷനാണ് ശരിക്ക് ഈ ഒരു സിമ്പലിന്. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ അത് റൈറ്റിംഗ് വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് സ്പെല്ലിങ്സ് വരുമ്പോൾ TH എന്നുള്ളതാണ് വരുന്നത്. ലൈറ്റായിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു ദാറ്റ് താങ്ക് യു ഈസ് പ്രൊനൗൺസ്ഡ് th, thank you. But here TH is pronounced as then. 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 The. Understood? THEN is then. Then THAT. That. Actually, it's not the. ശരിക്ക് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് ദ അല്ല. ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പീപ്പിൾ അത് പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ that അങ്ങനെ പറയാം. പക്ഷെ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ട് മെമ്മറൈസേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് അത് ദ. th ആൻഡ് ദ സൗണ്ട്. then. 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 THAT. that. THIS. this. Clear? MOTHER. mother. BROTHER. brother. Clear? Then how to write? Opening the slash. Then in case of the word then, we are writing the sound. Then A sound. A, how to write A? Small letter E gives you the pronunciation A. Then N sound. Opening the closing the slash also. It gives you the word then. Understood? So F, V, Th, D. Clear? Next two sounds are very easy to remember because it is S and Z. That we already know. S. S sound. Small letter S. We are writing small letter S. And the pronunciation in phonetic is S. And so many examples. For example, so. S-O. So. S-A-W. So. S-E-E. See. S-O-O-N. Soon. S-U-N. Sun. S-O-N. Sun. So many examples we can find out in the pronunciation. Which gives you the pronunciation S. So many words are there. And we'll pass on to Z. Z. Z sound. Z also very easy. We are writing Z and the pronunciation is Z. And the example provided here on the screen is zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Clear? How to write? Open the slash. Write the phonemic symbol Z. Then O sound. How to write O sound? We are writing small letter U and putting one colon also. And that colon indicates that it is a long vowel. O comes under vowel sound. You remember those vowel sound. Okay. So Z plus O. That gives you the word zoo. Then another example is zero. How we are pronouncing zero? We are pronouncing it as zero. നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? സീറോ. അങ്ങനെയല്ലേ നമ്മൾ പറയുക സീറോ എന്ന്? എളുപ്പത്തിലാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത്. ബട്ട് ഇഫ് യു ഗോ ടു ദ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ ഡിക്ഷണറി യു ക്യാൻ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദാറ്റ് ദ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ ഈസ് zero. Z plus ya plus r plus o. O you remember rope, soap, റിമെമ്പർ? സോ ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി സീമിങ് ഫണ്ണി ടു യു. നമുക്കിതൊക്കെ കേൾക്കുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഒരു തമാശ പോലെയാണ് തോന്നുക. അതുപോലെ നമുക്ക് വലിയൊരു വ്യത്യാസമൊന്നും ഫീൽ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ടാവില്ല. പക്ഷേ പ്രൊനൗൺസിങ് ഓർ നമ്മുടെ പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ എൻഹാൻസ് ചെയ്യാനും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങൾ ബേസിക് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് പഠിച്ചു വെച്ചാൽ നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ, സോ we said about zero. Clear? So you try to write the pronunciation of the word in phonemic symbol zero. How to write zero? Clear? Last two sounds for today's class we are dealing with is sh and j. Sh. How to write sh? A long s. Long s. That is, we are writing it somewhat similar to S, but it's not small s, but it's a long S. The middle portion of that S is a little lengthy. Clear? So that gives you the sound sh. Sh as in ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. How to write? Open the slash. You are writing the sound sh. Then E. That is small letter I. Then P sound. P is the alphabet, but the pronunciation is P. And we are closing the slashes. So that together gives you the word ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Clear? Okay. The last sound for today's class is J. How to pronounce that? There is no Malayalam equivalency for this sound. നമുക്കിത് മലയാളത്തിൽ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റുന്ന പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ അല്ല. അത് j എന്നാണ് പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുക. j. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, ഇഫ് യു ആർ റൈറ്റിംഗ് മെഷർ, ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് മെഷർ. നമ്മളെങ്ങനെ പ്രൊനൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? മെഷർ എന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ പറയുക, അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ മെഷർ എന്നാണ് പറയുക. പ്രൊനൗൺസിയേഷൻ പഠിക്കുന്നതിന് മുൻപേ നമ്മളൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? മെഷർ. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി അത് പഠിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മൾ പറയുക എങ്ങനെയാണ്? മെഷർ. I think that you will be knowing all these details, because if you are in a habit of watching English movies or English web series, all nowadays are in a habit of watching all those things, yes? So definitely if you are in close connection with all those web series or English movies, and if you are listening to their pronunciation, you can see that their pronunciation for measure will be measure, not measure. Okay, m plus a plus j plus a. Clear? Measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E. That's the spelling, and the pronunciation is measure. M plus a plus j plus a sound, and closing the slashes. Another example is pleasure. How we are pronouncing that? Pleasure. നമ്മൾ pleasure എന്നാണ് പറയുക. But actually, what's the pronunciation? The pronunciation is pleasure. P plus L plus A plus J plus A. Pleasure. Clear? So, once more, we'll be revising from the beginning. F as in fat. V as in van. Th as in thin. D as in then. S as in soon. Z as in zoo, sh as in ship, j as in measure. Understood? So one more thing I want to tell you is that you have to listen to these classes every now and then. Whenever you find out 5 minutes, you please watch these classes, because definitely the exams will be there. Written examination conducted by the university will be in a near future. So bearing that in your mind, you have to go through these classes. Also, one fault of this online classes are there, we are not getting the feedbacks of the students. That is, if you are understanding the class, if you have any doubts regarding the classes, and if you want to ask any or need any clarifications from the part of the teacher, so you have to contact your teachers for clarifying your doubts, for asking the doubts. Understood that? So please cooperate with all the faculties. And that's all for today's English class. These are the classes provided for the first year degree students, and you remember the name of the text is a cube. Clear? So have a nice day to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you.